Okay, welcome back to another exciting session of NameNet OS. Of course, the cheat is that the OS we'll talk about today is Haiku OS. It's currently in beta 4, release 1, beta 4. But today's session is, so I've installed it, I ran update. Now we'll come back and we're going to install Emacs and the Evil mode for Emacs today's session. Okay, so let's start us up. I also noticed that that the Cedar Prince is live streaming on Twitch. I think he said he's doing something to with one of his like math classes or something like that. So here's our desktop. Here's our splash screen now. Now, one of the things to keep in mind about Haiku is that there's no security. It's based on BeOS, more or less, and it's designed to be a single-user system, so there's no login security at all. It just opens up to the desktop, and that's it. So let's see what happens here. And sometimes it doesn't even start all the way up. So we'll see what happens here. Let's try this again. I mean, it'll go sometimes and it'll boot up just fine. Then I'll try to do it another time and it doesn't work. So we'll see what happens. Okay, there you see it just popped up on its own, didn't it? Capture this. And again, we're going to come here, we're going to install Emacs. We'll go to Applications. I'll just mention again, you got Software Update Updater, which is here. There shouldn't be anything that needs to be updated today, but we'll just check to make sure. Now, I'm not really sure how serious of a project this actually is. It's almost more like a hobby than it is an actual serious OS. Here. Now we're installing Emacs. Apply. Then we'll install the Evil mode within Emacs, and what that does, it allows us to use the Vim key bindings to move the cursor around. Yeah, and this can take a minute or two to upload, also to install also. So it's slowly installing. It's downloading. So it downloads it, then it installs it. You know, I'm not sure, but I think it may actually, this package may be gzip files or something like that. Open. Good. Over here. Emacs. Now on Windows, you use the Alt X to run a mode or to install packages. Install Evil. Now I'll mention again that Haiku does have Python installed, but unfortunately none of the major packages like Pandas or NumPy and Matplotlib have not been ported over yet. Okay, so now we want to come over here. We want to load the mode. So now it's loaded. So now let's go right first. Right is L. H is left. J is down. And K is up. So again, it's L is right. H is left. J is down, and L is up. And there you, and of course the way you can exit this is escape. Takes you to a colon at the bottom of the screen, and just type Q. And that's it. So that's it for this video. We installed Emacs. Oh, and a note that it was in fact the latest version. Emacs is 29.1. We installed Emacs, and then we installed and demonstrated the evil mode, the VM mode inside of Emacs. Okay.